What if I told you you could retire by 40, not just scraping by, but actually living free, wealthy, and on your own terms? Sounds impossible? It's not. In 2025, new wealth hacks, digital opportunities, and smarter investment tools are helping ordinary people build extraordinary wealth faster than ever before. In this video, we'll break down the exact steps, habits, and modern strategies that can help you retire rich by 40, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay till the end, because hack number 7 might completely change how you see money forever. Section 1. The mindset of early retirement. Before we talk about money, we need to talk about mindset. Every person who retires early shares one thing in common. They decide early that they won't trade time for money forever. The truth is, your 9-to-5 job was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you comfortable enough to keep working. To retire by 40, you have to break that system. Here's the millionaire mindset shift for 2025. Earn actively, invest automatically, and build passively. Let's break that down. Earn actively. Build a high-income skill, something that pays you more for the value you create, not the hours you work. Invest. Automatically. Automate savings and investments so your money grows without emotional decisions. Build passively. Create income streams that pay you while you sleep, like digital assets, dividend stocks, or online businesses. And remember, early retirement isn't about stopping work. It's about having the freedom to choose what kind of work you do. Section 2. Building multiple income streams. If you rely on just one source of income, you're one step away from disaster. The rich have multiple streams, and in 2025, it's easier than ever to build them. Stream number 1. Your main income, career or business. Start with your primary skill. Whether you're a software engineer, video editor, marketer, or designer, focus on increasing your value. Ask yourself, how can I make my employer or clients more money? That's how you justify higher pay, promotions, or premium freelance rates. Stream number 2. Side hustle. Use your spare time to build something scalable. In 2025, AI tools, automation, and online platforms make it possible to create faceless YouTube channels, sell digital products, offer freelance services, build niche websites. A few hours a week can turn into thousands of dollars a month. Stream number 3. Passive investments. Start investing as soon as possible. Even small amounts matter. Use apps that automate your investments into index funds, ETFs, and dividend-paying stocks. Reinvest your profits. That's how compounding works its magic. Stream number 4. Real assets. If your goal is retiring by 40, you'll need assets that appreciate in value. Real estate, land, or rental properties can build long-term wealth. But in 2025, fractional investing lets you own part of properties with as little as $100 through platforms like Fundrise or Realty. Stream number 5. Digital assets. From ebooks and courses to NFTs and digital art, owning online real estate is a new way to earn. Once built, it keeps generating income, even while you're asleep. Section 3. The 70-30 money formula. Now let's talk about how to manage your money, because earning more means nothing if you don't keep more. Here's a simple but powerful rule used by many early retirees. The 70-30 formula: 70% for living, bills, food, rent, lifestyle; 20% for investing, stocks, real estate, crypto, businesses; 10% for learning, courses, books, and mentors. That last 10%, it's the difference between staying stuck and skyrocketing your income. As your income grows, don't inflate your lifestyle. Inflate your investments. Live below your means and invest the difference. By 30, your goal isn't to buy luxury, it's to buy freedom. The car can wait, the vacation can wait, but compounding never waits. Start now. Section 4, 2025. Wealth hacks. Now let ES get into the fun part, 2025. Wealth hacks that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Hack number 1, AI-powered side income. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway can help you create online content, automate businesses, and even generate passive income. You can write ebooks, create marketing content, or manage social media, all with AI assistance. Hack number 2. Geo arbitrage work online, live somewhere cheaper. It's what digital nomads have done for years. Earn in dollars, spend in rupees or pesos. You could save 50–70% of your income just by changing where you live. Hack number 3. Automation investing. Use automated investing apps like Robinhood Auto Invest, Wealthfront, or Betterment. They invest your money automatically based on your goals and risk level. No emotions, no stress. Set and forget. Hack number 4. Digital real estate. Buy online assets that generate cash flow, like niche websites, newsletters, or faceless YouTube channels. In 2025, digital real estate is just as valuable as physical real estate, but way cheaper to start. Hack number 5. High ROI skill stacking. Combine skills, for example, video editing plus marketing, high-paying freelance career, coding plus design, tech startup, copywriting plus AI tools, online business. The more valuable combinations you create, the faster you grow. Hack number 6. Leverage smart debt. Good debt can accelerate wealth. For instance, using a low-interest loan to invest in an income-generating asset like rental property or a business, but never use debt for liabilities like cars or clothes. Hack number 7. The FIRE movement. Financial independence, retire early. The FIRE movement is booming in 2025. People are saving 50–70% of their income, investing in low-cost index funds, and reaching financial independence by 35 or 40. You don't need millions, you just need enough passive income to cover your living expenses. Section 5. Investing wisely in 2025. Investing is the engine that drives early retirement. But in 2025, smart investors are diversifying more than ever. Here's a balanced portfolio strategy. 1. Index funds, 40%. Low risk, consistent returns. Perfect for long-term growth. They track the market instead of trying to beat it. 2. Dividend stocks, 20%. These pay you every quarter, a great way to build passive income. Reinvest your dividends until your portfolio grows big enough to pay your bills. 3. Real estate, 20%. Whether physical or digital, real estate is one of the most stable ways to build wealth. 4. Crypto and alternative assets, 10%. Crypto remains volatile but high reward. Treat it as a long-term bet. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. 5. Emergency and cash reserves, 10%. Always keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash or a high-yield savings account. That safety net gives you freedom to take bold financial steps. Section 6. The 10-year roadmap to retire by 40. Let's put this into a clear timeline, your 10-year roadmap to financial freedom. Age 25–28. Build the foundation master. 1 high-income skill. Eliminate debt and bad spending habits. Start your first side hustle. Invest 20% of every paycheck. Age 28–32. Scale your income. Grow your side hustle into a business. Reinvest profits into stocks or real estate. Build a solid emergency fund. Automate all savings and investments. Age 32–36. Multiply your assets. Buy or invest in cash-flowing properties. Build digital assets for passive income. Expand your skill stack. Save 50% plus of your income. Age 36–40. Financial independence. Passive income covers all living costs. You can choose to retire or keep working on your terms. Focus on impact, not income. This plan works, not because it's easy, but because it's consistent. Small steps every month for 10–15 years can change your life forever. Section 7. Lifestyle design. Living rich, not just looking rich. Retiring rich isn't just about money. It's about freedom of lifestyle. Ask yourself, what do I want my life to look like when I'm 40? Do you want to travel, build passion projects, spend time with family, or simply live peacefully? Real wealth is having time for the things that matter. The biggest trap is trying to look rich instead of being rich. Cut unnecessary expenses, say no to lifestyle inflation, and focus on financial independence. When you retire early, your time becomes your greatest asset. You don't have to be born rich to retire rich. You just need the right mindset, consistent habits, and the courage to start today. Here's your recap. Build multiple income streams. Invest early and consistently. Live below your means. Use 2025's wealth hacks, automation, AI, and skill stacking. Stick to your 10-year plan. By 40, you could wake up every day knowing you're free. So what's your next move? Will you keep trading time for money, or start building a life that earns money while you live it? If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning of your journey to retire rich by 40.